Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove welcome to Instagram. So guys, when you open your Instagram and facing this type of issue, welcome to Instagram, and want to remove it, then I'll help you how to remove. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this, first of all you need to open your Instagram app again, and guys after this you need to click on your main profile and click on three lines, and guys after this you need to click on settings and privacy, and guys after this you need to scroll it down and log out your account, and guys after log out you need to log in again in your account, and guys after this you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys after this simply you need to click on general, and guys after this you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys after this here you need to find Instagram, and guys after this you need to click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the last method is you need to update your Instagram. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your app store. So guys, if you are using iPhone, then you need to open your app store, and guys if you are using Android, then you need to open Play Store in that phone. So guys, simply I am opening here app store, and guys after opening here you need to search here Instagram, and guys after searching it you need to click on Instagram, and guys after this you need to click on Instagram, and guys here you can see the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update your Instagram app from here, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.